Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and somebody emailed me this file and wanted to know how you could get this block, and they did it, it's in the center, but how did you get, it's perfect. And I'm gonna just kind of explain because we kind of emailed back and forth. So let's take a 12-inch circle. Well, let me back up here. Let me lock my ratio. And then let's draw a 12-inch with it unlocked by 1-inch block. Now I'm going to select both my items and I'm going to hit P. Now if you want this to the bottom, hit B like in boy. Now remember that this is 1 inch. So if you set your nudge factor on 0.5, which is a ½ inch, and nudge it down, that is exactly in the center of the ball, and then take it all and weld it, and then you can do anything you want to with it. You can do that with any measurement. It doesn't have to be 1 inch. Let's say let's just make this bigger. So I'm gonna hit B to make sure it's at the bottom. This is 1.845. Well, you could go 1.845 divided by 2 and then nudge this down. And that's exactly in the center. You can use math to figure out your nudge distance. And then just take it and weld it. And you can fill it in with whatever color you want. I hope that helped.